Okay, we're winding down on day one here. We're pretty close. Not much has changed on top, but underneath the suspension idea seems to have worked pretty well. So we have our control arms are off out of the way. So all we need to do to get the engine out is take these 4 cross-member bolts out of the bottom of the frame, and this thing should drop out. Right now, one of the critical things we're trying to do, that's one of the hardest things to do, and this is the steering shaft where it gets the rack. You see that split clamp there. I removed the bolts. They're usually notoriously difficult to get out, so I might stick an air chisel right in the gap there and hammer it a little bit to soften it up some, and we'll see what happens. Okay, that's that.